so busy, body busy tonight. Joanna,
If your friend
you know they don't me tonight. Joanna, so busy, body giving me life, oh, hey life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna, like Joanna, why you do me like Joanna, like Joanna, why you do me like Joanna? Joanna, so busy, body.
What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and in today's video, you guys, I'm gonna be showing you. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this poppin' ass peekaboo rainbow wig, because it's like a popper rainbow because, you know, it's mostly blonde, but it does have, you know, the rainbow colors right here in the front. I was actually inspired by a picture from Aliexpress. I'll leave the picture right here, but I did not want to copy it, you guys. I ended up doing like my own little twist on it. So yeah, I was inspired by this picture though to just do these front parts right here, rainbow, but I wanted to do like one side cool colors and one side like warm colors. You guys, I love this wig, especially for the summertime. If you're going to festivals or raves or anything like that, this is like the perfect wig to back out because it's just like wham bam bitch, look at my motherfucking hair, you feel me? So yeah, I'm gonna be dropping heat, so stay tuned, okay, prima donnas? Make sure you hit that subscribe button because there's gonna be a lot of heat coming for y'all. Keep on watching, and until next time, bye. And of course, the one and only Tutu Percolator, eating yogurt in the camera. But let me just tell y'all how this girl loves to be on camera, okay? And I had to, you know, remove the girl for a second so mommy could get down and busy. So of course, this hair is from Upretty Hair, you guys. This is their 613 Brazilian body wave. I'll leave all the inches and all the hair information, of course, in the description box if you guys want to check this out. The quality of this hair was so nice, you guys, and it took color amazing. So first things first, we're gonna pull out the shimmer lights for the gods. Yes, this is purple shampoo. This is not hair dye, you guys. I already taught you guys how to tone your 613 bundles to get it more of an icy color and to cancel out all of the yellowness. So if you guys want to see that, I do already kind of like low-key have a video on this, so I'm gonna just really skim through this part because like I said, y'all already seen your bitch do this mad times. But you always want to use a test strand so that way you could get the perfect tone of blonde. So like I said, this shimmer lights is not going to turn your hair completely gray. It's just going to cancel out that yellow tone and give you like a nice icy blonde color. So like y'all can see in this clip right here exactly what we did. As you guys can see, we took out all of the yellow tones so that way it could look like a nicey icy ooh bitch, yes. So anyway, moving along, once you go ahead and tone all of your bundles, this is what your bundles should look like now. Oof girl, like these bundles right here, I toned them to perfection. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make my wig off camera because I already have a how to make a wig video. Yes, I'm plugging in myself because who's gonna promote me better than me? So this is going a little too quick, but you want to just go ahead and get some hair dye brushes. I am going to use one of those to actually section off a part of the hair. This is when you can be your own artist, you guys. That's the best part about making your own wigs. You do that shit however you want to do that shit, okay? It's going to look however you want it to look. So go ahead and take out a big piece, small piece, whatever you're comfortable with. I didn't want to overdo it because like I said, I did just want the 2 streaks in the front. So you just want to go ahead and section as much hair as you want out. And these are all of the colors that I'm going to be using. Most of my colors are from Adore, but the yellow one is from Kiss. So I just wanted to mention that. So you want to take a towel or you can use a ram wrap, whatever you feel comfortable with, to kind of like hide the rest of the hair. As you guys seen in my last clip, I did put the rest of the hair away in a ponytail just so that way none of the dye gets on the rest of the wig. So yeah, the good thing about Adore hair dye is that you can use the colors while they're wet. So as you guys seen, I did take like a spray bottle and I did just section it so that way it stays parted and the hair is trained. It's not frizzy. It's like how I want it to. So like I said in the intro, you guys, I wanted to do this like inspired by Aliexpress but do it in my own way. So I am doing one side of the wig with cool colors and then the other side with warm colors. So with this side, I am going to take red, orange, and yellow, and then you guys are going to see on the other side, I am going to use purple, blue, and green. So yeah, the picture that I seen and I showed you guys in the intro, he actually uses all of the colors on each and every side, but my frontal was not as long as the rest of the bundles. So I think the bundles on this wig was 22 inches, but I did get my frontal in 20 inches. So I didn't want to like squeeze all 6 of these colors into one piece of hair, like you guys get what I'm saying. So I ended up dividing it. So So I kind of had to make it work all within a 20-inch frontal. So yeah, another thing I wanted to quickly mention, the reason why I'm being so super messy, you guys, is because I only had one pair of gloves. I would recommend for you to switch off the gloves so that way you won't be as messy. But because I only had one pair of gloves and only 3 brushes on hand, I had to work with what I had. So I was like basically trying to blend my colors legit straight out of the bottle because I wasn't trying to get my gloves dirty. So yeah, I went ahead and rinsed the sections off, but I did let the dye sit overnight, you guys. So this is the next day. This is what the hair looks like damped, and as you guys can see, when you pull the hair all straight back, it looks so freaking poppin'. So I went ahead and sped through this part, but I am now just gonna flat iron her real quick just because I wanted her to be nice and pin straight. I don't know what I'm gonna name this wig. You guys, let me know down in the comments below what I should name this bad bitch, because girl, I really fucking love this wig. All right, definitely one of my favorite wigs that I've ever made, because y'all know me, I love color, okay? And I really love blonde right now, so I've been playing with like different blondes and stuff. So yeah, this is what the wig looks like, all nice and straight, you guys. Like I said, Upretty Hair takes color amazingly, and the way it straightens, even though it's body wave hair, it gets super pin straight. Like I did not have to fuss or fight with it. It was lit. With the power of editing, you guys, the wig is on. She is secured on my head. So yeah, you guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Comment down below what wig you want to see next, and until next time, guys, bye.